Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 collated nails available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Number 1. DeWalt Framing Nails. DeWalt is a well-known brand name for tool lovers, and this nail is one of the finest tools that you can have. This tool comes with an offset round head that allows it to work perfectly in any environment. The DeWalt Framing Nails, DPT10D120FH, come in a 30 degrees paper tape collation with a smooth shank and bright finish. These nails are designed to satisfy the building codes wherever they are used. ICCS ESR 1539 code compliant. DPT10D120FH models weigh 8 ounces, with the dimensions of 10.69 lx 8.41 inches w by 3.19 h. These DeWalt's nails are made of stainless steel with a fastener size of 3. This round head product is made to work in either frame or sheathing applications. The most common application for these nails is for use during carpentry and cabinetry. This nail also finds application in the building of decks. With these framing nails from DeWalt, you can be sure to have a fantastic tool that will provide you with the greatest possible results every time. For those that work in construction, woodworking, or carpentry, these framing nails are a must-have. Number 2. B&C Eagle 22-degree Framing Nails. The B&C Eagle framing nails are designed to work with either manual or battery-operated nail guns. They offer top performance in durability and safety, always a priority in nailing-type work. B&C Eagle 22-degree round head framing nails are available in a 500 count. They have a bright finish that makes them perfect for interior use on non-treated lumber only. With the A312 by 131 22 model number, the B&C Eagle framing nails are also easy to identify. The product dimensions are 4 by 8.5 by 3 inches and it weighs 6.7 pounds. It comes with an instruction guide and unit. This product is compatible with a variety of common nail guns. The round head nails have a plastic collation that makes them easy to handle and work with. Additionally, the shanks are smooth, which reduces the chances of jamming. B&C Eagle framing nails are a great choice for the professional contractor or the do-it-yourselfer. With their top performance and reliable quality, you can't go wrong with these nails. Number 3. Freeman 2-inch Framing Nails. Freeman's nailer is the perfect combination of performance and engineering to meet your needs, no matter how big or small they may be. These nails are manufactured with hot-dipped galvanized steel to resist corrosion. The Freeman FR.1132 GRS 21-degree 2-inch framing nails are included in this 2000 count box. With their plastic coating and ring shank, these quality framing nails are better suited for heavy-duty use. They won't easily rust or pull out of place when hammered into work surfaces. This product comes in 12.02 pounds and is 2 times 0.25 times 0.13 inches in size. It's also made in the USA. They have superior withdrawal resistance and outstanding holding power, so they won't break off when you're driving them in hard. You'll love the durability and reliability of these Freeman nails that create a strong foundation for whatever work you need to be doing. The Freeman brand is known for quality and durability, making it a perfect choice for frame jobs both large and small. With its long-lasting galvanized nails finish and sturdy shank, this is a great option for your job. Number 4. Gripe-Right Nails for Framing. Gripe-Right nails are specially coated so you can use them to frame your home without the extra work. The frame will hold up even in tough conditions, and these nails won't rust or bend over time. This item comes in 7.33 pounds and has product dimensions of 10.25 by 6.5 by 4.5 inches. The size of the nails is 2 to 3, 8 inches by 0.113, and they are made out of galvanized steel. Gripe Right GR08RHG1M nails for framing is compatible with the majority of 21 degrees round head nailers, and they are suitable for use in exterior framing applications, with all treated lumber. When it comes to durability, these nails are tough as nails. These nails come in 1,000 per box, and they also meet or exceed ASTM F1667 standard nails. With this set of nails, you'll be able to frame your home with ease and know that it will be protected from the elements. Framework is an important part of any construction project, and using the right nails is essential for a successful outcome. With Gripe Right round head nails for framing, you can trust that your job will be sturdy and long-lasting. Number 5. Paslode nails for framing nailer. Paslode nails features powerful and precise nails that can be driven flush to bond tighter and last longer. Made of carbon steel, these paslodes are the strongest and most durable nail on the market today. With a 10% more nail count per strip, paslode nails for framing nailer, 650,836, are productive and less reloading is necessary. Additionally, the paper tape collation ensures a clean job site with no debris to worry about. These nails come in 2,500 counts in a pack of 1 and product dimensions are 7.5 by 0.2 by 3 inches with an item weight of 21.9 pounds. Its cutting diameter is 3 inches. With its round head bright color finish, this product is perfect for finishing jobs. With paslode framing nails, you can drive nails flush to connect with wood fibers and increase holding power. The reinforced round head design improves nailing performance in the hardest materials. When it comes to framing nails, Paslode is the brand to trust. With powerful and precise nails, you can be sure the job will be done right. So, next time you're framing, be sure to rely on Paslode nails. Thanks for watching the video.